Hey guys, Firearms Addict here, and I wanted to share with you a video that's in response to Tim Miller with Treetop Outdoors challenge of 2 guns. And this one is actually my third gun, and it is equally as sentimental as the H&R Trapper model that I shared. And this pistol belonged to my grandfather, and this was actually his service pistol during World War II. He served as an MP, and this is a Beretta model 1934, and it's in .380 caliber. And I recently got this from my dad, who turned it over to me, and we want to keep it in the family, and one day it'll pass along to my son. This is his actual card that went with the firearm, and he was stationed at Camp Shanks, New York, which was the largest embarkation camp in the United States during World War II, processing approximately 1.5 million soldiers before they went overseas. They did their final inspections at Camp Shanks. I have a snap cap in the pistol. Let's see what the trigger pull measures. £10, 8 ounces. In addition to the pistol, I have my grandfather's original belt holster, and it's got his number on it, marked on the inside. And in addition to this, I have his shoulder harness. And now the leather on both of these has definitely seen better days. I need to investigate some restoration on this if at all possible. It's got like a tear here, and some of the snaps are turning green, but pretty neat having all this original equipment from my grandfather. And I just wish I could have heard some of the stories that he could tell, probably pulling soldiers out of bars, I would imagine, maybe AWOL soldiers. Just no telling the amount of stories that went on with 1.5 million people going through that camp. Let's see how my grandfather's pistol will shoot. Nice. Today I'm running Remington UMC 95 grain full metal jacket 380. Throws the brass straight up. That's kind of interesting. The pistol has a slide holdback on an empty chamber. To remove the magazine, you push back on this knurled lever and pull down with your thumb. The slide goes forward when you remove the magazine. Magazine also has cutouts for round count. I've got a paper target out at 20 feet. Let's see how it does. All right, not a bad little group. A little bit low, a little bit to the left, but I'm pleased with that. The sights on the 1934 Beretta are not the best. They are crisp, nice squared off lines on that rear sight. They are not adjustable. The rear sight just has a dovetail, and the front sight is just fixed. It amazes me how much this resembles a Beretta 92 as far as the design. The bluing on this, you can see some carry wear from where my grandfather carried it in his shoulder rig and on his belt, but just a rich plum blue on the slide, and the frame is just a dark blue. Another thing that I find interesting, we were at war with Italy in World War II, and here my grandfather's carrying a service arm that was made by our essentially enemies. For some fun, I have a shaving cream can placed downrange. Let's see how we do. On a side note, Walmart shaving cream smells way better than Target shaving cream, and if you hadn't seen the shaving cream challenge videos I've posted, check them out. Let's shoot some of the metal targets that are left there. All right, that's fun. I hope you liked enjoying this video about my grandfather's service firearm from World War II. I can't tell you how lucky I am to be able to own something that has documentation back to my relative that served in World War II. He passed away sadly before I was born. We actually share the same name, so I feel a close bond to him, even though I never knew him. And being able to shoot his pistol just is quite touching. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I want to thank Tim with Treetop Outdoors for putting out this challenge, 2-gun challenge, and he actually let me do 3 guns because I had to give a video to both of my grandfather's firearms. And if you hadn't seen the one on my H&R Trapper model, check that video out. And also, check out Tim's new channel, which is Treetop Barbecue. He made some ribs last week and posted a video, and I can't wait to copy his recipe and try them. They look delicious. Hope you all liked it. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and definitely subscribe if you would like to see more content along these lines. And thank you for watching.